Good morning, children. Today we are discussing about 7th and 8th Romans in the sets chapter. So 1 to 6th Roman completed so far. Now we will discuss about 7th Roman. So write the following sets in roster form. Write the following sets in roster form means already 1, 2, 3 in this question 3 bits are there. But each one is there in the circular form. So we have to write in the roster form. So set A, x such that x is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. So those elements we have to write. So greater than 50 means 51, 52, 53 and so on. Smaller than 100. Smaller than 100 means 98, 99. So this is the roster form of this. Next one. B equal to x such that x is an integer. X square equal to 4. Already we know that integers means integers containing negative numbers and positive numbers including 0 also. So which are suitable for us? Small rough work we will discuss. X square equal to 4. X square equal to 4 means integers already we know that. Integers already we know that. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 like that and so on. So which numbers are suitable here? X square equal to 4. For example, let x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means 2 square equal to 4. So 2 is required for us. Next one is let x equal to -2. X equal to -2 means -2 whole square equal to 4. So square of negative number also become positive. So it's suitable here. Say -2 whole square means 4 only. So which numbers are required for us? -2 comma 2. -2 whole square equal to 4 and 2 square equal to 4. So this is given for us. Next, set D equal to x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. Loyal. So already we know that every element separated by commas. Every element separated by commas and repeated elements written into only one time. So L 2 times repeated for us. Only single time we have to write. Next O Y A. So this is 7th Roman. Okay, now we are going to start 8th Roman. Match the roster form with the set holder form. So match the roster form. Left side LHS, left hand side roster forms given, right hand side and set holder forms given. So which are suitable here? 1, 2, 3, 6. So which are suitable? See here. X is a prime number. Prime numbers means it's not this. And odd natural numbers already here. Even numbers also followed here. Next one. X such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. And divisor of 6 means, see here, 1, 2, 3, 6. In small rough work we will do. Divisor of 6. Divisor of 6 means already divisor or factors both same only. So which are suitable for us? 6 factors. 6 factors means 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2, 6 into 1. So 1, 2, 3, 6. Left side or right side anyway. 1, 2, 3, 6 or 1, 2, 3, 6. So it's suitable for C. Divisors. The divisor means factors. So we can indicate like that. First bit C. Suitable. Next what's the form? 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 means which is suitable here? X such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Divisor of 6 means, so already we know that here in this set which are prime numbers here? Prime numbers mean 2 and 3 only. Because of divisor. Divisor means factor. So second one is suitable for A. Next, MATHEICS. Already easily we can denote. X is a letter of word mathematics. Next, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Last but not least, X, such that X is an odd natural number smaller than 10. Odd natural numbers only 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it's suitable for D. So now 2.1 access completed for us, and 7 and 8 Romans come. Now we are discussing about types of sets. So first one, null set or void set or empty set. These three words same. So what is the null set? Null set means null set indicated by this symbol. For example, set A. For example, set A containing no elements in that set. So that is called as null set or empty set or void set. These three words are same. For example, A equal to B equal to the set containing 0 here. So 0 also one of the elements. So it's not a null set. It's not a null set or empty set. Null set also denoted by pi also. A equal to null set. In that set no elements, and pi also we can indicate. This is, and second one is cardinal number. So what is the cardinal number? For example, set A containing 1, 2, 3, 4, set B containing A, B, C is there here. Cardinal number, what is the cardinal number of a sets? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So cardinal number of a set means n of A equal to number of elements in this set. Number of elements set means 4 elements. This is called as cardinal number. And n of B means how many elements are there here? 1, 2, 3. So cardinal number is 3. So we can indicate like that here. And the third one is finite set. So what is the finite set? Finite set means a set containing limited numbers or B, P, Q, R, S. A finite set means for example one set containing limited numbers. Limited numbers means 1, 2, 3. Their finite set for cardinal number we can say. And so n of A equal to 3, n of B equal to 4. So here 3 elements, here 4 elements are there here. This is called as finite set. Finite set, a set containing 3 elements, and a set containing B is 4 elements are there here. So in the set A, countable elements. Here in set B, here also countable elements. Those are called as finite sets. And the fourth one is infinite set. What are the infinite sets means? For example, n is a set of natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and so on. So for this, see here natural number set 1, 2, 3 and so on. So largest number means or ending number we cannot say. So here uncountable numbers. Here countable numbers compared to finite and infinite. Here countable numbers will be in that set. Here uncountable numbers will be. And similarly, another example. And first one and second one, and capital W. Capital W means and whole numbers, set of whole numbers, and 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here also ending number, largest number we cannot say. So here also uncountable numbers will be. This type of sets are called as infinite sets. And fifth one, equivalent sets. Equivalent sets means, for example, A equal to A, B, C, B equal to 1, 2, 3 are there here. Equivalent sets. Equivalent sets means set A containing 3 elements A, B, C and B equal to 1, 2, 3. So there, for example, compared to two sets are said to be equivalent sets, their cardinal number must be same. Cardinal number must be same means n of A equal to 3, n of B equal to here also 3. Like will be here. These sets are called as equivalent sets. Next one is equal sets. Next one is equal sets. So what are the equal sets? Equal sets means A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 3 to 1. So this is also finite set, this is also finite set. So countable numbers are there and another ones we have to check. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3 elements are there here. So equal sets means which elements has set A, which elements containing set B, both same or not here. So A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 1, 2, 3. Same elements will be. So such sets are called as equal sets. So A equal to B, like that. Next, subset. Subsets means, for example, compared to two sets, A is the one set and B also one set. So A is the subset of B. A is the subset of B means we can indicate like that here. A subset are equal to B. For example, A is the one element. A is the element belongs to A, and also A belongs to B also. One element belongs to A and also same element belongs to B. Then A implies A subset are equal to B implies A belongs to A and A belongs to B. So we can indicate like that here. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3 elements and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So compare these two sets. A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one belongs to A and one belongs to B also. For example, one belongs to A and one belongs to B also. And similarly, and 2 belongs to A and 2 belongs to B also. And 3 belongs to A and 3 belongs to B also. So the A set containing the 3 elements also belongs to B, belongs to A and belongs to B also. So that's why this can be written as A subset are equal to B. Okay. See here, once you observe here, 1 belongs to A and 1 belongs to B also. Next here, 4 is there here. 4 does not belongs to A and 4 belongs to B here. So every element in set A belongs to every element of set B. But every element of set B need not to be A belongs to set A here. So this is indicated by A subset are equal to B. Otherwise, A equal to B also sometimes. Some both sets also we can compare. So that's what the symbol we have to use. Okay, till now 2.1 exercise completed for us. So every question also you have to practice. And today we discussed about types of sets also. No? So tomorrow I will ask you types of sets. That one also prepare and